Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond. Pow! So have you wondered what you can do to get registered as a vendor with Wells Fargo? Yes, they are the leading bank in the United States. Well over 8,700 and some branches. So what can you do for Wells Fargo as a vendor? Stay tuned in this video. I'm going to tell you exactly what you can do on how to become and what you can do to service a Wells Fargo bank. Ready? Let's go. Well, banks are one of the best ways to get money to scale your cleaning business to what? 6 figures and beyond. How? And Wells Fargo is one of the largest banks when it comes to various locations throughout the United States. So one of the things you want to make sure you do is fill out their vendor profile. Take your time, put in the information they're looking for, which if you filled out any of my previous vendor profiles, it's similar. Knowing what your NAICS code is, knowing your locations, and putting in all that information and continue all the way through, hit and submit. Now, you want to make sure that you are on point with giving them the correct information so they can reach out to you. We've had so many people actually get picked up for Amazon, Best Buy, UPS, and so on and so forth. So make sure you click the link. I'm going to have a link for you to click that's going to actually give you what you need to submit your vendor profile to become a Wells Fargo professional cleaning service. Looking forward to you doing that. And if you want to learn so much more on what you need to do in this particular environment, especially on scaling your cleaning business to 6 figures and beyond, then make sure you come to my workshop, Masterclass, all about building commercial and finding commercial contracts. I actually give you a couple of places you can go and you can implement it immediately, places that are looking for cleaning companies just like yours. So if you'd like to know what you need to do to get busy being a vendor for Wells Fargo or to find out other places, then make sure you click the link, register to get the information for the Wells Fargo to be a vendor, and then also make sure you do one better. Sign up for the free Masterclass workshop where you can learn all the things you need to do to scale your cleaning business. Even in this environment with the pandemic and the labor shortage and all the things that are out there, you can still really do well in this environment. In the cleaning industry, it doesn't matter. There is always an opportunity for the right cleaning company to scale and grow. So if you want that to be you, then make sure you sign up. Space is limited. Look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.